on my motherfucking level. We're live on YouTube. I want to get this 900 break here. I'll cover below 900s. Now is when the greed becomes real. Now is when the greed becomes real here, my friends. Now is when the greed is real. I'm chill. I'm chill as a cucumber up in here. I'm chill as a cucumber. I'm a cucumber. He's a freaking cucumber. Just go right through that 900. Just do it for me. And then I can say that I'm the best trader on the YouTube. Come on, market. Just do it one time for me today. You already got me once. You already screwed me over once. Just pay me one time. I'm not being greedy, right? I took 3 contracts. Just pay me one more time here. Just pay me one more time. Thank you. Thank you. Now it's going to dump fucking 20 points. Get ready. All right. Thank you. $3,390 live on YouTube. Don't tell me I didn't call out the trade. Don't even fucking dare. Nobody dare. Nobody dare say it. Look, I told you it's going to drop 20 points now. One man. So beautiful. So good looking. The trade was simple. I told you this fucking 1 minute candle thing right here was a joke. This was like 100% just a fucking joke right there. We literally were like, I was like, what is this? What is this right here? A joke. It's a joke. And look at that next candle. Look at the next 1 minute candle. Just fucking dumped. That was nothing more than just let's try to get people stopped out here. Let's get them out of the trade and then let's fucking dump them. Let's sucker in the bulls on this candle right here. That's 100% what that was. They suckered in the bulls. They fucking got him to jump back in on this pullback. The bulls see this fucking wick on the bottom of that candle right there. And guess what happens? It's fucking just nothing but a trap. They just trapped all the bulls right there. They trapped the fucking bears too. They did it both ways. But I don't know why there's so many fucking lines on this chart now. But we saw the break here. I got short. I'm like, this thing's going. We got denied, what, 4 or 5 times up there? Yeah, I'm taking that fucker all the way, baby. I told you guys we're going through the VWAP. We're going to the 900s. We got down there to the 89s. I'll take it. You know? So yeah, both trades of the day, I was right. But just greedy. You know, that's all it was. Just fucking greedy. On the first one, I was up $8,000. You know, I'm an idiot. I should have just taken, the funny part is I said, I was like, oh, we talked about this area, that pivot point, that 55 area. I just gotta I gotta just start taking my own advice, really, I think what it comes down to. That's really what it comes down to. Like, if I call out a level that I think is like, oh, that's resistance, like, why would I sit there and hold a trade when we're sitting there just banging against that resistance? It makes no sense. It's nothing more than just me being an idiot. So I will 100% admit that trade earlier this morning was just 100% me being an idiot, nothing else, you know? So that 900 area just ripped right back up there. So that was my target. This 900 level kind of down into here. Right there, pretty much you see from earlier, kind of like right there across the board here. They kind of took out that level just to pop it back up there. Pretty happy with that trade, to be honest. That was my target. We break this 50 level. We go to the 900s. After that, I really don't care. So P&L on the day, literally $3,000. I got stopped out break even on that first fucking trade. And on the day, I was up 8,000 on the first trade, and then or 6,000, whatever it was, and just did not take profit. The funny part, like, here's the mental fuck, right? Like, this is the mental fuckery. Is I had what, 10 contracts, 9 contracts on that first trade, and then on the second trade, what did I do? I was like, okay, I'm gonna size down now. I'm gonna go 3 contracts, size down, just because it's choppy, it's stupid action, and it's like, that's the problem is you can't change your fucking strategy just because you had, one thing didn't work out. Like, you can't be like, oh, yesterday the market choppy, so today I'm gonna, be afraid to take a big trade. Like, you got to stick to the guns. It's hard. It's really, guys, this is live. This is not me in replay. This is not me calling out levels. Like, I'm trading. I'm making money live on YouTube. You guys are getting to experience what it's like, I'm not just sitting here calling out levels and telling you like, oh, look, I think this is going to happen. Like, I'm actually trying to take money out of the markets. I'm not trading on a demo account. Like, we're trading real fucking money and trying to make real fucking profits, right? At one point in my life, I was happy to make $100 a day. Now I'm like, hey, I want to make $10,000. I want to make $20,000. Does that mean that I'm the best trader in the world? No, but I just got to stick to the plan. Stick to the process. We're getting there. We're making progress every day. And that's what it comes down to. Like, You know, could I have traded that morning move better? Sure. But it is what it is. Like, there's nothing I can do about it now. I can't go back in time. Trust me, if I could go back in time, I'd be a quadrillionaire at this point in my life, because there's a lot of trades that I probably could have taken profit on that I didn't, or a lot of trades that I shouldn't have taken. So, you know, this is it. We're doing it. This is a real fucking deal shit. I want people to understand, like, this is not me sitting here calling out levels and just pretending to be a day trader. Like, we are actually day trading. We're actually taking trades. You got that low this last day candle, so we're inside this candle here. So that it basically is telling you that there's a good chance that we pretty much kind of just chop around here and kind of make a little, maybe make another leg, little pushback up here, and then you're like, maybe Thursday, Friday, we get that move down if we break that move there. So a good lesson. If you're looking at the daily chart, if you're looking and we're seeing that we're kind of holding the low of that previous day and we're kind of just chopping around there, it's a good lesson to be like, hey, look, today might be a choppy day. We're inside that candle. There's kind of, you know, that support at the bottom of this candle. We haven't broken through it. I don't know. Maybe I have no idea what I'm talking about, but I think that's a good way to look at it. It's kind of cut and dry. If we're inside that previous day candle, you basically think that might be some choppy action. So a little tidbit for you guys there. A little tip. Not that I'm a pro, but I think it's a good tip to have. A good idea here. Look at that 15-minute candle. The fuck, it broke to the upside, broke to the downside. Still has not really made up its mind which way this wants to go.